You are over 30 and trying to lose weight, but your belly fat is not going away. Your cooking oil might be the reason. Yes, the oil you use every single day. After 30, your metabolism slows down, hormones shift, inflammation increase, and the wrong oil can make fat loss harder. Even if you are eating healthy, today I will show you the best cooking oil for weight loss after 30, the best oil for frying, the best oil for high heat cooking, and which oil to stop using immediately. Small kitchen changes, big difference in result. Let's get into it. Why oil matter after 30? The science. After 30, your hormones shift, estrogen changes, insulin sensitivity drops, metabolism slows down, and your body becomes more sensitive to inflammation. Now, here's what most people don't know. Some cooking oil create inflammation inside your body when heated. Inflammation is equal to easier fat storage, especially around the belly. But certain oils actually support fat burning hormones. So the goal is not to avoid oil. The goal is to choose the right oil for the right purpose. Let's break it down simply. Best overall oil for women 30 plus trying to lose weight. Number 1, extra virgin olive oil. You can't talk about weight loss without the king of oil, extra virgin olive oil. If you only remember one oil from this video, let it be this one. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monosaturated fats. These fats improve insulin sensitivity. Better insulin sensitivity is equal to less fat storage. But here's the real magic. It contains a compound called oleocanthal, which works similar to ibuprofen in reducing inflammation. And less inflammation means your body can release stored fat more easily. It signals to your brain that you are satisfied, preventing that late night pantry raid. But wait, this oil is not ideal for everything. I will explain in the movement. Best for salad, salad dressing, light sorting, drizzling overcooked vegetables, morning detox style meals. Not best for high heat deep frying because high heat can damage its nutrients. Best oil for frying, yes, you can still fry smartly. Now let's talk about frying because let's be honest, something we frying and that's okay. But here where most women go wrong. They use vegetable oil or refined seed oils. These oils are highly processed. They oxidize easily and oxidized oils create toxin compounds which increase belly fat and hormonal imbalance. So what's better? Number 2, coconut oil cold pressed. I know what you thinking, coconut oil. Isn't it fatty? Yes, but here's the surprise. Coconut oil contain medium chain triglyceride. These fats are absorbed differently. They go straight to the liver and are used as quick energy, not easily stored as fat. That's why many women notice reduced craving when using small amount of coconut oil. Best for shallow frying, pan frying, stir frying vegetables, medium heat cooking. Add a tablespoon of your morning coffee. It helps suppress the hunger hormone ghrelin, keeping you full until lunch. But if you cook at very high heat, there's an even better option coming up. Best oil for high heat cooking. When cooking at high heat, stability matters because unstable oil breaks down and broken down oil is equal to inflammation plus belly fat storage. So what's the best high heat oil? Number 3, avocado oil. This one is powerful. Avocado oil has a very high smoke point. That means it stays stable even at high temperature. And it contains heart healthy fats that support metabolism. Most people ignore avocado oil because it's slightly expensive. But here's what most don't realize. When you invest in better oil, you reduce inflammation. And inflammation is one of the biggest reasons fat loss slow after 30. Best for high heat cooking, grilling, air frying, deep frying occasionally. If you cook on high flame often, this should be your go-to oil. Oil to avoid especially after 30. Now this part is important because using the wrong oil daily can quickly sabotage your result. Avoid refined vegetable oil, soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, refined versions. Why? They are high in omega-6 fats and most women already get too much omega-6 is equal to more inflammation. More inflammation is equal to harder fat loss. But here's something surprise. One oil you thought was healthy might not be ideal daily. Even canola oil, often marketed as heart healthy, it's usually highly processed. If weight loss is your goal, focus on minimally processed oil. How much oil should women 30 plus use? Even healthy oil is still calorie dense. Simple rule, 1-2 tablespoons per day total is enough for most women. You don't need to eliminate oil, you need to control it. Pro tip, instead of pouring directly from the bottle, use a tablespoon to measure. Small habit, big difference. Simple oil strategy for fat loss. Let me make this easy for you. If you are 30 and 45, you trying to lose weight, use olive oil for salad and light cooking. Use coconut oil for medium heat. Use avocado oil for high heat. Avoid refined vegetable oils. That's it. No complicated diet plan. Small kitchen swap, big hormonal impact. And remember, consistency matter more than perfection. Before I close, I want to ask you something. Which oil are you currently using in your kitchen? Comment below, because sometimes awareness is the first step toward transformation. If this helped you, subscribe the food book for simple science-based fat loss tips for women 30 plus. See you in the next video.